So we're gonna start with a problem, which is 110 six-semester students were interviewed, and it was found that 28 took business, 31 took nutrition, and 44 took philosophy. 9 took business and nutrition, 10 took business and philosophy, and 6 took nutrition and philosophy. 4 were found to take all 3 subjects. So we're gonna start. So 28 took business, which are these ones. This, and this. Those 28 took business. 31 took nutrition, which are 12, 6, 4, and 9. Those took nutrition. And then 42 took philosophy, which is 10, 4, 6, and 22. 9 took business and nutrition. So business and nutrition, it's in the middle, so it's here. 10 took business and philosophy. Business and philosophy, which is 10 because it's in the middle. And then we have 6 took nutrition and philosophy. So nutrition and philosophy, which is in the middle, the 6th. And then 4 were found to take all 3 subjects. So in the middle of the 3 Venn diagrams, we have the ones who took the 4 subjects, the 3 subjects. So we're gonna start with the first one, which were the ones that took none of the 3 subjects, and the number we have is 42. The number we have outside the 3 Venn diagrams. So we're gonna have 42 over 110, which, if we simplify it, we get 21 over 55, and that's our answer, 21 over 55. So we're gonna continue with number 4, which is took business, yet no nutrition nor philosophy. So no nutrition, no philosophy, but they did took business. So we have right here the 5. So we have 5 over 110. That's our number B. And to finish with the first 3, we're at our number C, which is took philosophy and business, yet no nutrition. So they took business, philosophy, but no nutrition. So they took both. So it's number 10. So it's 10 over 110, which simplified, it's 5 over 55, which is, so we will need to simplify 5 over 55, which is 1 over 11. And we have our number C complete. So now we're gonna add 5, they have the same denominator, over 110 plus 12 over 110, which we can cancel here and cancel here. 50, no, never mind that. So, sorry for my cancellation. We're gonna continue. We have 17 over 110, which is our answer. And now we're gonna continue. So this is number D. Now we're gonna continue. So now we're gonna continue with the E, with the D, which is business or nutrition. So we have business here, which is 5, and we have nutrition here, which is 12. So business or nutrition, we need to add them. And as they have the same common denominator, we don't need to do anything else, just add them. So we have. So now we're gonna make the fraction, which is 5 over 110 plus 12 over 110. This is number D. They have same denominator, so they have 17 over 110, which is our final answer for letter D. But now we're gonna continue with letter E, which is at least 1. Okay, so for at least 1, we need to sum up all of these because they all took one subject. So for example, this 42, they took none of the subjects, and all the people inside here, they took minimum 1 subject. Okay, and the sum of all of these, 12, 9, 4, 10, 6, 22, 5, 68. So we have at least 1, so we have 68 over 110. We're making letter E, just to be clear. And now we need to simplify, and we'll start simplifying really easy. So we're gonna put 34, we're gonna write 34 over 55, then I think our simplification has ended. So now we have our letter E. which is 34 over 55. Now we're gonna continue with letter F. Letter F is quite simple. Letter F is at least 2. So everyone here in the middle, the minimum took 3 courses, 2 courses. So we had them all, and at least 2. We're in the list 2. So we count 10, 4, 9, 6. We're in letter F, which is at least 2. So we add them up: 4, 13 plus 6, 19 plus 10, 29. So 13, 19, 29. So we have 29 over 110. Now we're making letter F because at least 2, and everyone here took at least 2 courses. So 29 over 110. Which this is our final answer. 29 over 110. So now we're gonna continue with the G, which is almost the last one, but last but not least. So we have 2 courses, which here 9, 6, and 10, because they at least 2 or here or here or here or here. So they had 2 courses, not at least, only 2 courses. So we're gonna sum up, which is 35, which is 6 plus 9 plus 10. No,
25.
so we add them up: 9, 6, 10, 2 courses, and it sums up till 25. So 25 over 110, which this b can obviously be simplified. So we're gonna simplify to 5. We need a little bit of calculator for this. 110 divided by 5. So we have a huge and beautiful 22. So 5 over 22, we have the answer for the G, which is 5 over 22. So we're gonna finish with, now it's the last but not least, I made a mistake last time, and we're gonna continue with only 1 course. And we have the 5, we have the 12, and we have the 22, and only 1 course. Well, it's obvious that these 5 people only took business, these 12 people only took nutrition, and these 22 people only took philosophy. So we need to add them up and put it and write that number, the fraction, over the total students. So we have 5 plus 22 plus 12, so it's obviously a 39. It's quite easy. So we write 39 over 110. We're going to check if we can simplify this a little bit more. 110 over 39. No, we can't. 110 divided by 110 divided by 3. No, we can't. So we have this as our final answer for letter H. So this is our first problem. Now we're continuing with 2 more. This is problem 16. Yeah? Great.
160 university students were interviewed, and it was found that 70 are male, 50 are male who own a laptop, and 10 are females who do not own a laptop. So here I did a Venn diagram in which the 70 males, in which 50 own a laptop. Here are the 10 females that doesn't own a laptop nor are male, and the females that have a laptop, the students that have laptops. So here A is the student that owns laptop. What is the probability of picking one that has a laptop? So the probability would be these 2, which is 130 over 160, which is, so we simplify, and it's 13 over 16. And a male that doesn't own a laptop, which is this, which is 20. 20 over 160, which is 1 over 8. A male or owns a laptop. Male or owns a laptop, which is 70 70 plus 80, which is 150 over 160, which is 15 over 60. Then the probability of picking a female, which is 80 plus 10, which is 90 over 160, which is 9 over 60. And the probability of the owner of a laptop given that it's a male. So it would be 50 over 70 because it's given that it's a male. 50 over 70, which is 5 over 7. And a female given that doesn't own a laptop. So it's a female, which is 90, that doesn't own a laptop, which is 10. So it would be 10 over 90, which is 1 over 9.
So we're gonna start with number 33, and this one is the last one. We're a little bit tired, but it's okay. So how many different four card hands can a player be dealt from a standard deck? So 4 different cards from a standard deck. So if you remember Mr. Cian, so remembering the chart, we know that here there's no repetition because a deck of cards has no repetition, has not a exact same card, and we know that the other doesn't actually matter. So we're gonna go for a combination, and we're gonna go for that we don't care. We care if it repeats. If it doesn't, we can repeat. So we're gonna go for 52, which is what a deck has. Combination 4. So if we write it in the calculator, sorry for the delay, we'll have a 52 shift 4. We have a huge, quite big number, which is final answer 27 07 25. So it's 2070, 200,000, 70,000, 725.